Hey there, YouTube. Obviously, here is this Transit Connect. It's a 2010 model, but get this, 167,000 miles. That's just unreal. They really used the hell out of it. And yeah, this is another high mileage update. It's just to show that these little things can go. Let's take a look in back. Looks like they put decals over the glass. I wonder if it's see-through from the inside. Probably not. Let's take a look inside. Oh, this is a basic model. Doesn't even have power windows, even cassette or CD. So this is as plain Jane as it gets. Handle is missing over here. You can see. Probably for the seating adjustments. Yeah. The handles. Oh, there it is. Someone broke it off, it seems. Yeah, you can see the clip here broken. Whew, let's see what this thing sounds like. I'm pretty sure there's a cover missing around here on the ignition. This is going to be a surprise. The engine could be screwed. Something can be noisy. Something. Let's see what happens. There's life. Still going. Focus. See, 167. Engine sounds good. Believe it or not. Let me at least critique the interior. This is a work van, and so the interior quality is going to be not good at all. The entire dashboard, entire thing is grainy, hard plastic all over. You can see how it's all scratched up there. This is also, it's very dirty too. This radio here, the most basic thing ever, just AM FM. Not even CD, not even aux or anything, so it's as basic as it gets. Here are the hazards. You can see. This climate control. Simplest thing here. Non-smoker. This is the biggest downfall of the Transit Connect, is this 4-speed auto. This thing really needed 5 or 6 gears to really make use of this 136 horsepower engine. I think something like that. This is the old Focus engine. No variable valve timing or anything like that. Glove box, just about average sized. Sharp edge. All scratched up. A little uneven over here. Headlamps moving all over the place. Panel dim, turn signal lever, intermittent speed wipers, steering wheel tilt and telescopes. Up above you have a storage area, storage bin basically. Sun visor is actually padded. No mirror or anything like that. Passenger side does have a mirror. It feels rather cheap, really, to be honest. But it's padded. Seems to have, like, that metal wire thingy on the perimeter, like Mitsubishi does. I totally missed this lighting fixture up here. Door panel also. Huge chunk of plastic all over. No padding whatsoever. Again, crank windows. So this doesn't even have power locks either. Let's take a look inside. Yeah, here's the cargo area. These little things can really carry lots of junk. They have lots of room, despite being so tiny. You can see throughout. Some lighting fixtures. You really cannot stand upright in here, but it's still a tall roof. Pretty much the height in here is similar to the E-Series in this little tiny thing. And let's take a look in back. Here's where you open the other door. These doors don't flip out all the way open, but they do go flat like this. But there are some of these that come with more special hinges where you can actually flip the door all the way open towards the side of the vehicle. So, yeah, they really did haul things in here. It's all scratched up in here. You can see the other sliding door. We're going to take a look at the engine now. This does run on 15-inch wheels, rear drum brakes. Steelies, actually. So, yeah, you can see this interior is just filthy. Take a look at the engine. Oh, these headlamps are oxidized a bit. Look at the engine, flip up this logo. And here's this old 2-liter dual overhead cam 4-cylinder. It's the old Focus engine. No variable valve timing or anything like that. That's another thing this Transit Connect can use. The current Focus engine. Let's get to revving this one. Start it back up. And I forgot to talk about comfort. The seat, would have wished for the seat to move back a little bit more. Thigh support actually isn't too bad because this does have a rather high seating position. So it's not really going to be annoying. And the armrest, I totally missed that on the driver's seat. And lumbar support. It's the Rev Limit. You hear the engine sounds quite good overall. I don't know, there seems to be like a slight power steering noise or something. I don't know, like a wee. Or maybe it's just me hearing things. But the engine overall does sound good. It's the Rev Limit. You hear the engine sounds quite good overall. I don't know, there seems to be like a slight power steering noise or something. I don't know, like a wee. Or maybe it's just me hearing things. But the engine overall does sound good. Hasn't become sloppy or anything. That's really the most mileage I've ever seen on a Transit Connect.